Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12, ratio and proportion, exercise 12.1, question number 4. Question number 4 have the length and the breadth of a rectangular field is 50 meter and 15 meter respectively. Find the ratio of the length to the breadth of the field. Okay, so student, in this question the length and the breadth of a rectangular field is given 15 meter and 15 meter. We need to find the ratio of length and breadth of this rectangular field. So student, first we write here length of rectangular field. Length of a rectangular field. Rectangular field is given here 50 meter. This is clear. And breadth of rectangular field is also given here. Breadth of a rectangular field is given here 15 meter. 15 meter. Clear? We need to find the ratio of length and the breadth of the rectangular field. So here we write a ratio of length to breadth of a rectangular field. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write it 50. This is given 50 meter. This is a length of rectangular field and 15. This is a breadth of rectangular field. This is clear. You can again write 50 by 50. 15. Okay. 50 is the length of rectangular field and 15 is the breadth of a rectangular field. This is clear now. So you can write it 5 into 10. This is equal to 50, and you can also write it 5 into 3. This is equal to 50. You can cancel it. Here you can see 5 is common between the numerator and denominator, so it will be cancelled. 5 cancelled, then we get here 10 by 3. And student, we already discussed, if A by B, you can write it A ratio B. So this is equal to 10 ratio 3. Clear? This is equal to 10 ratio 3. So student, you can see here we find the ratio of length and the breadth of rectangular field is 10 ratio 3, whose length is 50 meter and breadth is 15. Okay. So first you write 50 upon 15, and the 50 you can write 5 into 10. This is equal to 50, and the 15 is, you can write 5 into 3. This is equal to 15. Okay. So 5 will cancel, because you can see in both numerator and denominator 5 have common, so it will be cancelled automatically, and we get 10 by 3. 10 by 3 you can write it 10 ratio 3. This is the required ratio of length to the breadth of rectangular field. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 5. What happened question number 5? Now, so question number 5 have, there are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. Okay, I repeat this question again. This is given in question number 5. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. So we need to find the ratio of number of teacher to the number of students. So let's see how to find. In this question, the number of teachers is given 102 and the number of students is given 3300. Okay, so we need to find the ratio of number of teacher to the number of student. So this is a question number 5. Here you write number of students. Number of students is equal to 3300. Okay, number of teachers. Number of teachers is equal to 102. This is given. We need to find the number of teachers to the number of students. Okay, so ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. Okay, so this is equal to what? The number of teachers is given here. How many teachers? 102. 102 teachers are given here, and the number of students also given here. How many students? 3300. Okay, so 102 upon 3300. You can cancel it. If you cancel it by 2, so you get here 51. Again here we cancel it by 2, so we get here 2 1 are 2, 1. Here we get 13, 2 6 are 12. We carry here 1, 10, 5, 0. Okay. So again you can cancel it by 3. So if you cancel it by 3, so then we get here 17 3 are 15, and here 5 3 are 15 and 5 3 are 15. 17 3 are 51. Okay, and you can cancel it. So you get here 5 3 are 51, again 5 3 are 51, 0. So if you simplify this, you get here 17 by 550. After this you can't simplify it, so you can convert in ratio like this. You can say this is equal to 17 ratio 550. This is a required ratio of teacher to student in the given school. So student, in this question this is given that the number of student in a school is 3300 and the number of teacher in a school is 102. Question asked to us, find the ratio of teacher to the find the ratio of teacher to the number of students. Okay, so we here we write number of student is given 3300 and number of teacher is 102. The ratio of number of teacher to the number of students is equal to 102 upon 3003. If you simplify it, you get 17 by 550, or you can say 17 ratio 515. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 have distance traveled by Hamid and Randhir in an hour is 12 kilometers and 9 kilometers respectively. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Randhir. Okay, so then the distance time is taken by both Randhir and Hamid is 1 hours, and the distance traveled by Randhir and Hamid is 12 kilometer and 9 kilometer respectively. So first we convert it in a ratio. After this, first we convert it in a speed. Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance upon times. So let's see how to solve these questions. Now, so first we arrange them. After this we solve question number 6. In question number 6, distance traveled by Hamid is given 15 kilometers and the distance traveled by Randir is also given here. Okay. So first we find speed. After this we find a ratio. So this is question number 6, and distance traveled by Hamid. This is equal to 12 kilometer. Okay, and also this is given the distance traveled by Ravindra. Okay, distance traveled by Ravindra is 9 kilometer. Distance, this is given here, distance traveled by Randir is equal to 9 kilometers. Okay, this is given, and also this is given the time taken by both are 1 kilometer, 1 hours. Okay, so here we write time taken by Hamid and Randir to complete this distance, to travel distance, or you can say complete distance. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 hour. Okay, the distance traveled by Hamid is 12 kilometers and the distance traveled by Randir is 9 kilometers, and time taken by both is 1 hour. So student, you know very well how you find speed. Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance upon time. This is formula to use to find the speed. So first to find speed of Hamid. So speed of Hamid is equal to what? Speed of Hamid is equal to speed of Hamid. This is equal to distance traveled by Hamid. Upon time. This is equal to what? This is equal to distance is 12 kilometer and time is 1 hour. Okay, so speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, or you can write it only as kilometer per hour. Okay, it represents hours, kilometers. Now we will find the distance traveled by speed of Randir. Speed of Randir is equal to what? Speed of Randir is equal to, again we use the formula speed is equal to time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so speed distance is 9 kilometer time is taken by complete this distance is 1 hour. So you can write the speed of Randhir is 9 kilometers per hour. This is clear. Now we need to find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Randhir. Okay, so here you write a ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Randhir. This is equal to what? So Hamid's speed is, we find here 12 km per hour. You can see, you find the speed of Hamid is what? 12 km per hour. So you write 12 divided by speed of Randhir. This is the speed of Randhir. We find it 9 km per hour. So you write 9. You can write 12 is equal to what? 12 is equal to 3 into 4. This is 12. 9 is, you can write 3 into 3. Okay, so you can cancel them and we get 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is equal to what? You can write it 4 by 3 is equal to 4 ratio 3. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Student, in this question, this is given and that the distance traveled by Hamid. I repeat this question again. Distance traveled by Hamid and Randhir in an hours are 12 km and 9 km respectively. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Randhir. Okay, so student, first we find the speed of Hamid and speed of Randhir. How you find the speed of speed if distance and time is given? Because you know very well, speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance upon time. In this formula, we find the speed of Hamid and speed of what? Speed of Randhir. Okay, so by this formula we write here distance upon time. Distance is 12 km and time is 1 hour. So speed of Hamid is 12 km per hour and speed of Randhir is again 9 km by 1 hour. This is equal to 9 km per hour. So we need to find here what we need to find here. We need to find here their speed. So speed of Hamid to the speed of Randhir is equal to 12 by 9. Okay. So if you simplify this, you get 4 ratio 3. This is the required ratio to the speed of Hamid and the speed of Randhir. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given here. The population of a village is 4,800. If the number of female is 2,160, find the ratio of the number of male to the number of female. I repeat this question again. The population of a village is 4,800. Okay. The number of females is 2,160. So we need to find the ratio of number of males to the number of females. So student, you can see in this question, this is given. The population of village is 4,800. Okay. Now, and number of females is also given here, 2,160. Okay. If you subtract, here we need to find the number of males in the village. So if you subtract the number of female from the population of a village, then we get the number of males in the village. After this, we need to find the ratio. So if you know the number of male in the village, then we get ratio of the male and the females. Okay. So let's see how to solve this question. First we raise them. After this we solve question number 6. Okay. Now in question number 7, this is given the number of the population of the village is given. What the population of the village? The population of village is given 4,800. Okay. So first you write population of village. Population of village. Population of village is equal to 4,800. This is given. Okay. What is the population of village? This is given 4,800. Number of female is also given here. Number of females in a village. Number of females in a village. This is equal to 2,160. Clear? Now, again, we need to find the number of males in a village. Okay. So we write here number of males in a village is equal to, if we subtract number of female from the population of village, then we get number of males. So 4,800, this is the population of the village, and we subtract the number of female 2,160. Okay, if you subtract it, if you face any difficulty to subtract such types, you write like this: 4,800 minus 2,160. So in this vertical method, you can subtract very easy way. So 0 minus 0, you can write here 0. This is 0. So carry 1. This becomes 10. So 10 minus 6. This is equal to what? 4. And this becomes 7. 7 minus 1. This becomes 1. 6. Here 4 minus 2. This is equal to 2. So in this way, you can see we get the number of males in the village is 2,640. This is clear now. So number of males in a village is, we find 2,640. Now we need to find the ratio of number of males to the number of females. Okay. So here you write ratio of number of males to the number of females to the number of females. Okay. So here number of males is, we find 2,640. 2,640, this is number of males, divided by number of females is here 2,160. Okay, 2,160. You can cancel it. 2,160. So you can cancel 0 by 0. Then you get here 264 divided by 216. Clear? If you divide it by 2 in both, then you get here 132, and if you divide it by 2 again, so you get here 108. This is clear? Now you can cancel it by 4. Okay? This is also cancelled by 4. So if you cancel it by 4, then here you get 3 4 ja 12 and 3 4 ja 12 again, and in here 4 2 ja 8 and 4 7 ja 28. Clear? And again you can cancel by 3, then you get 3 11 and here 9. So we get here 11 by 9, or you can say this is equal to 11 ratio 9. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. In this question, this is given that the population of village is 4,800 and the number of female in a village is 2,160. So we need to find the ratio of males, number of males to the number of females. So how we find number of males in the village? If you subtract the number of females from the population of village, then we get the number of males. So here you can see subtract it and we get the number of males in a village is 2,640. After this, and the number of females is given here 2,260. So we need to find its ratio, and you can see here we get it 11:9. This is required ratio to the number of males and number of females in a village. So what is the ratio? 11:9. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next questions. Question number 8 of this exercise 12.1. So let's see what have in question number 8 in this exercise. Okay. So question number 8 have in a school out of 4,320 students, 2,300 girls. Find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Okay. And the second part of this question is that number of boys to the number of girls. Okay. So student, in this question, the total number of students in a school is given here 4,320, and the number of girls is also given here 2,300. So how we find the number of boys in a school? If you subtract the number of girls from the total number of students in a school, then we find the number of boys in a school. After this, you find the given ratio. Okay. So let's see how to find these questions. First we erase this question. After this, we solve the question number 8. Okay. In question number 8, this is given the total number of students in a school. So this is a question number 8. Here this is given total number of students This is given here total number of students 4,320. This is the total number of students, and the number of girls is also given here. Number of girls is given here. How many girls in a school? This is given here 2,300. The number of girls in a school is 2,300. We need to find the number of boys. So number of boys in a school is equal to how much? So if you subtract the total number of girls from the total number of students, then you get the number of boys in a school. So total number of students in a school is 3,200, and number of girls in a school is 2,300. Okay. So if you subtract it, then you get the number of boys. If you face any difficulties, such type subtractions, you can use horizontal method like this: 4,320, 2,300. Here subtract it. 0 minus 0, here 0, 2 minus 0, we have 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2. So So this way you can see the number of boys in a school is 2020. How many students? How many boys in a school? 2020 students. This is clear. So student, now the first questions. First part of this question is that we need to find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Okay. So first part of this question is that find the ratio of number of girls girls to the number to the total number of students to the total number of students. Okay, so number of girls is given here 2300 and total number of students is 4320. This is given here. Okay, so you can cancel here 0 by 0. 0 you can cancel it, then you get 230 by 432. Clear? Again you can cancel it by 2. If you cancel it by 2, so 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2 and 2 5 are 10. And here 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. This is clear? Now, so we have, this is simplest form, 115 by 216. Okay, so required ratio for number of girls to the number of total number of students is equal to what? 115 ratio 216. This is clear? Now we are going to discuss second part of this question. Second part of this question is that we need to find the number of ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Okay, so here ratio of number of boys to the number of girls to the number of girls is equal to number of boys here 2020 by number of girls is 2300. Okay, so 1010 you can cancel here and you get 202 by 230. Again you can divide it by 2, then you get 101 by 115. So required ratio is equal to what? Required ratio is equal to 101 ratio 115. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now this is enough for today. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.